In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate Permission Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Privacy section available here. This way you can tap on Permission Manager right away. Now, you need to pick one of those features you want to manage, or select any feature just to find an app you want to manage. Let's start with a feature. I want to manage my camera access, so I have to click here. Select one of my apps, like, for example, Browser from the Night section, and tap on one of those options. Ask each time, allow only while in use or deny. Let's go with allow only while in use. So when I click on it and go back, browser just gained access to my camera if I'm using my app. But you can also select one of your apps. Let's go with browser again. And this time select tiny text in blue. See all permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!